doing, honey?
A lot of paint boat.
The dinghy got her first coat. Nauti'Cat got her second coat, and we'll come back and finish up the third coat after this one dries. She's been waiting to be out here, and she's loving it. Look at her. And now he has to tell her to go inside.
Rebel, house. Come on.
Mean daddy.
House.
And she listens like most of the women in our family.
Rebel, come on. House.
Reluctantly, she will listen to what the man says, even though she does not like it. Coat number 3. Daddy's birthday dinner with our friends.
Y'all would.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear. Happy birthday to you. Woo! Cheers! Yay! Thank you.
Let's see you blow that out. That's better than.
Hello, South Carolina. Good, honey.
Heritage Choo-Choo Bicycle Trail. We're going choo-choo.
In Greenwood, South Carolina. So happy Easter, everyone. What you got, honey? What you got?
I got your new internet there, baby.
Woohoo! Starlink. Work from anywhere. All right, baby. What we do?
Connecting to Wi-Fi.
Here we have it.
She's rocking and rolling already.